It's a very beautiful day in New York City, and because of the strength of the sun, we can go outside again. But guess what? There is some good news. It's after 4 o'clock. The markets are officially closed. The market's once again at record high numbers, and it's happy hour here in New York City. U.S. stocks, they did ease off their lows in thin trade Monday afternoon. This after the ISM corrected the May manufacturing index, leading both the Dow and S&P 500 to hit fresh highs once again. Now, in a very unusual move, the ISM corrected its manufacturing data for the month of May for the second time to 55.4. The index was first corrected to 56 after being initially reported as 53.2. Analysts were expecting a reading of 55.5. And in other reports, construction spending, that was higher 0.2% in April to mark its best level in nearly 5 years. However, that was still short of estimates, calling for a gain of 0.6%. Now, the Dow Jones Industrial Average poked back into positive territory, this after trading in a narrow 65-point range all day. The S&P 500 also edging higher, with the Nasdaq that dipped slightly. And let's now take a look to see how the Dow Jones fared on this very volatile trading session. And lastly, on the corporate front, Apple taking the wraps off a new operating system today for its Mac computer called Yosemite. Yes, Yosemite like the park, or Yosemite Sam from Warner Brothers. In addition, the company announced the iOS 8 for the iPhone and the iPad, and shares, they remained in negative territory following the announcement. And Google is reportedly planning to invest more than $1 billion in a series of internet access satellites around the globe. This according to reports from the Wall Street Journal. Shares on the downside. Mylan, meanwhile, saying that it reached a settlement with Pfizer over sales of a generic version of the painkiller Celebrex. Mylan said it would begin selling the drug Salikozib at the earliest point it can, and not later than December. So there you have it. Kick back, relax, enjoy the rest of your day. It's beautiful in the tri-state area, and I hope I see you guys again in the morning. For ModernWallStreet.com, I'm James Swinney.